So it's beginning of April and we are about to embark on our first camping trip with this camper van for spring break. And this is what we've done so far. I think this is the farthest we'll do for now and see how it works for us, and then I'm sure we'll do some more modifications as we use it. So this is the cabinet, the triangular corner cabinet that we got from Habitat. Our bill and the point of this whole project is to reuse as much as we can, and this is what we have so far. So we got the corner cabinet, which is right behind driver's seat. It's got enough room for us to just use a little bit of counter space and a little bit of storage for cooking supplies and utensils and a little bit of food for our camping trips. This is the 4-passenger seat that we install. We install upper cabinets. These were cabinets that were vertical, and we just turn them sideways and install onto the van to use as our storage. We also got the bed in. The bed frame is built with metal brackets and metal, I don't know what those things are called. They're tightened and screwed together and can be taken out if we need to, so that we can use this as cargo van. Its original purpose, I guess, in case we need to haul trees, furnitures, or whatever. You never know when we go to the farmer's market. I always run into a tree that I haven't planted before, and for whatever reason I always want one. Anyway, that is the main cabin of the camper van. Now let's go back to the back. So that is the bed in the back. I know we Mickey Mouse the cabinet installation, but it'll be useful and functional for us, and we'll figure out if we're going to keep it or change it over time. So we built the bed so that we have space here to stand up even when the door is closed. So I think there's like a maybe 12 to 16 inches of space between the bed itself and the door. So we can stand here. I'm in the crevice between the bed and the door, and if we need to get up in the middle of the night, maybe we'll put in a some kind of bathroom or something back here. Maybe, we'll see. So we got this memory foam thing. It's like 4 inches memory foam. Doesn't quite fit the width of the bed, but it is so comfortable. And this is the back, the view from the back of the van. There are our upper cabinets and the upper cabinet for the kitchen area, and the 4 seats, and the driver and passenger front seats. Anyway, that's it for now. I will update later when we start using this van and see how things are. We'll see you then. Bye. Thanks for watching.